Aloha mai kākou, it's Kumu Maile coming to you from Kahalewa on the island of Molokai. And our MANAʻo Monday ʻōlelo noʻeau is Hoʻokahi no la o ka malihini. And that translates to a stranger only for a day. Let's say it all together. Hoʻokahi no la o ka malihini. If you are familiar with households in Hawaii and you come to visit, you better expect to be a part of the ohana. And that means don't expect to be waited on and cared for your whole stay. It's much more of an enjoyable experience if you just dive in and become one of the ohana. After you eat, go offer to wash the dishes. When you wake up in the morning, say, hey, what do you need me to do around the hale to help you out and make your day better? And that's just a way to show mahalo. And to enjoy your stay even more, because you're one of the ohana, right? So let's say it all together from the top. Hoʻokahi no la o ka malihini. Maikaʻi loa. Our ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaii for today is how to say, oh man, oh that's too bad, like shucks, all those different types of things. There's one word for it in ʻōlelo Hawaii. E hoʻopili mai, repeat after me. Auwē. One more time. Auwē. Maikaʻi loa.